Hey, a quick note before the video starts. The audio I recorded for this video didn't really come out that good, so at some points it might be a bit inaudible, but I did my best to try to salvage it. So yeah, thank you for understanding and please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, so today we're taking a look at Windows 10s in 2020. So we all know that Windows 10s in 2020 or 2017, I'm pretty sure, when it first came out, it got a little bit of backlash. Just a little, nothing crazy. Anyway, so let's see how it's running today. So as you can see, I can't run VMware Tools, and so if I copy it to the clipboard and close it, it's probably going to give me something like dead simple. Yeah. So, if I try to run this exe, and even if I try to rename it to something Windows related like Notepad, still won't work. And if I run Chrome setup, yeah. So it's basically talking about how great Edge is. But if I run this again and see how, it looks like they've actually backtracked out of selling Windows 10 Pro, $100, $200 to be able to get out of S mode, at least nowadays. I'll have to go through all the versions of Windows 10 S. But, yeah, so, yep, you just update the Microsoft Store to switch out of the S mode, and you just update it to the latest version. Now, this is because this virtual machine is brand new. I literally just installed a few updates for it. So if I go to WinVer, it is just Windows 10 1903, and it even calls it Windows 10 Windows 10 Pro in S mode. So I'm going to make a snapshot of it once this is done downloading. Oh, it aired out. That's cool, but I bet you if I were to go into settings and go to S, switch out of S mode. There we go. Switching out of S mode. I guess, wait, do you actually have to? It's really weird. I get this is an older version of 10. But yeah, switch out of S mode. And you may want to think twice, especially if performance and peace of mind are your top priorities. So, update Microsoft Store. Yeah, go. Update it. Try again. Okay. There. Perfect. So let's try this again. But yeah, they definitely backtracked a lot with this whole thing. So yeah. So just update it and we try again and so pretty much is it broken? Wow, that would be pretty sad. I find it silly that they have this HP stuff here. Now I'm curious what happens if I were to run it on a computer like this. That would be kind of funny to see. But yeah, you really can't run EXEs on this thing. But yeah, I even tried copying the notepad from the Windows folder and it still doesn't work. Yeah. The run in this Windows folder. Shut up. This one in the Windows folder works no problem. I wonder what notepad this is. This notepad. It's actually making me a little bit nervous or interested in what if I rename what's not a very important part of Windows. HTML help. That no one cares about HTML help. So HHA. Continue. Go. Oh, for goodness sake, trusted installer. Come on, anything. Full WoW 64. Just full WoW 64 work. Yeah, but probably really signed by Crested Installer because Spillout 64 is probably something very close to the Windows operating system. WinHelp 32 stub, that would definitely be something that I can probably run. So, open. Yep. Perfect. So, let's see. Security. Administrators. Administrators. What? Well, read and execute and read. Advanced. Administrators change permission. You don't even have permission to take control of it. Okay, well, screw you then. Does this, no. Doesn't even have, what? Alright, come on, there's gotta be some EXE I can get rid of. Bet you RD will work. Are you kidding me? Does this seriously not have the command line on here? Wait, what? Whoa. Do we seriously not have control over command prompt? That is, what? They're shipping a version of Windows without any control over the computer. What? Can I do direct calls to CMD? Oh gosh, I misspelled task kill. Let's see, task kill go. So wow, not even direct calls to the command interpreter actually go over that well. Yeah, just try administrative. Oh nope, you can directly call the yeah. None of this really. I don't know who would use this kind of system. It's just. It's so locked down in what you could do. Like, there's not even a freaking web browser in the store, I don't think. Yeah. Web browser. Aranda secure web browser. Let's see. No, thank you. Just download it. Go. Get for. Yeah, this should be pretty interesting to see. Yep. Aranda secure browser. Let's see if it's anything than a reskinned Edge. What is my user agent? What is my user? Okay, so let's compare this to Edge's user agent. What is my user agent? I gotta go to Google first. What is, oh gosh, keyboard dying. My user agent. Oh, well, I mean, it's somewhat different. Wait a minute. No. No, it's just a reskinned Edge. It's just a reskinned Edge. I bet you these are all just, reskinned Edges, because you really can't do much different. Yeah, if this one is anything like the other ones are, I am not even going to bother trying the other ones because we'll just know it's the same foregone conclusion. So, whatever. It's a virtual machine. Just get me into a web browser. It's a web browser. Whatever. It's a web browser. Just get me to Google. Go, get to work. Oh, so that's how they make money. Look at this. You can't even close this out. This is pathetic. And it's just another reskin of Edge. I'm done here. I'm done here.